As you can see, very high-speed presentation we have here. My name is Anthony. Today I've actually wanted to just get a very good understanding or a better understanding picture on how programming works. I was really excited to actually hear that it was for people with no experience because, like I said earlier, my experience is I did a programming class in high school like 15, 16 years ago and haven't touched coding since. So people are like, how do you know that little piece of information? It's like, because that's the last little bit of information I remember. So that actually happened today. So I was able to see how things were, again, rewritten, how code is actually written, formatted, and shown how things are placed in different positions for a certain reason, depending on how far it's indented to how it's blocked off, so then break off to a separate part of code in case whatever. One of my problems today was that every time I was typing something in, there was a slight spelling error and or incorrect character that I had to then go back and proofread and look over. So in doing that many times, I finally got the code right. Solution, get better at typing so this way I'm faster and more accurate so I can keep up with everybody else. And then two, read each line of code after I enter it in to make sure that each line by line is good without having to go back and reread the entire thing to figure out the needle in the haystack. Kind of already answered that in the same slide. Future, this is a picture of the end state of the product. Picking this Viejo because that's where we're at right now. So the part of the code I chose to use for description was how we actually created what we just saw in that picture. We were able to find pictures, use the internet to find pictures to then show the image of what the forecast is supposed to be day by day. Instead of having the day or the actual forecast listed out as it initially showed was a vertical line, which was very hard to read. The last line of that code actually showed us how to put it out in a horizontal view so it's easier to read like you would on a calendar for a weather forecast.